Most men think quitting porn takes 90 days, a year, or some massive life overhaul. But what if I told you don't need to fix your whole life this week? You just need to interrupt the cycle. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact 7-day reset we've used to help hundreds of men break momentum, rebuild discipline, and finally start moving towards freedom. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here, and it's been our mission for the last 6 years to help men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, rewire their brains, rebuild their identity, and step into a life of freedom. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this on YouTube, turn those post notifications on, because what I'm going to share with you today has transformed the life of thousands of men over the last 6 years. And listen, if you're watching this right now and you feel stuck in the cycle, I want you to know you are not broken. You're patterned, though. And over the last 6 years of working with high-performing men, we're talking about entrepreneurs, executives, athletes, husbands, fathers. I can tell you something most people won't. Porn addiction isn't a willpower problem. It's a momentum problem. It's a nervous system problem. And most importantly, it is an identity problem. It's exactly why I've created the 7-day porn reset inside the Rebuilt Man. It's not to magically cure you in a week, but it's to help you do something far more powerful. Break the cycle fast enough so that you can build belief again. Because once a man starts stacking wins, everything in his life changes. Now let's get down. I want to break down 7 days of our porn reset day by day, starting with day number 1. The decision that changes everything. Day 1 is where most men either step up or stay stuck. Because freedom doesn't start with tactics. It starts with your identity. Most men are walking around saying, I'm trying to quit. No, inside the Rebuilt Man, we teach you that you don't try your way to freedom. You decide your way to freedom. On day 1, your only job is this. Get brutally honest about where you are. Define the real why and make the decision you are no longer the man who lives in this cycle. Because behavior follows identity every single time. Now we move on to day 2, where we expose the pattern. By day 2, we start pulling back the curtain. Because here's what most men don't realize. Your relapses are not random. They are rehearsed. The same time, same emotional stresses, same environments. So on day 2, we map out your danger windows, your emotional triggers, your environmental risk, and the device habits. Because once you begin to see the pattern, you stop feeling out of control and you can start playing offense. Now we move on to day 3, where we begin to lock down the environment. This is the place where we begin to get tactical. Because listen very carefully, willpower is unreliable. Environment is predictable. High-performing men don't rely on motivation. They build systems. So on day 3, we install blockers. We clean up social feeds. We remove private access points. We create boundaries with our phone and devices, and we optimize our nightly routines. Why? Because discipline gets easier when temptation gets harder for us to reach. Now we move on to day 4, where we begin to master the urge wave. This is where most men used to lose it, the momentum of the urge. But here's the truth most guys will never taught. Urges are waves. They are not commands. They rise, they peak, and then they pass. On day 4, we give you real-time tools, the 10-minute rule, a cold shower protocol, movement burst, and state shifting techniques. So instead of panicking when the urge hits, you know exactly what to do, and confidence starts to build fast. Now, before I move on to day 5, if you're ready to take action and you want this complete framework delivered to you for free, check out the rebuiltman.com/7-day reset and get access to this entire 7-day protocol, plus 1-week trial inside of our Rebuilt Man Brotherhood and community. Now, moving on to day 5, that is breaking isolation. This is the day that shame starts to lose its grip. Because addiction thrives in secrecy, but momentum builds itself in brotherhood. By day 5, inside of the reset, we push men to step into our community, to get visible, to build aligned accountability. Because lone wolf recovery has one of the lowest success rates that we'll ever see. High-performing men win in proximity. This is non-negotiable. Then we move on to day 6, where we begin to build a future that pulls you forward. Here's a hard truth. Porn becomes the most attractive when your future feels unclear and uncertain. High drive men need a target to aim at. So on day 6, we shift from the defense into vision. You define the man that you're becoming, the husband you want to be, the father you want to show up as, in the level of focus and energy that you're building towards. Because when your future gets bigger, porn starts to look smaller. Now we wrap this up in the 7 days here with a commitment to the long game. Listen very carefully. 7 days is not the finish line. It is the ignition point, because by day 7, we want is simple. We want momentum, awareness, early discipline, and most importantly, belief. Because once a man believes he can change, now he can build something that is real. That's why the reset naturally leads men into deeper work inside of Reboot Your Life in the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood, because short-term wins must be protected by long-term structure. Now, if you're sitting here right now thinking, Frank, this is exactly where I'm at, good. That awareness is step 1. And if you're ready to stop white-knuckling this alone, I want to personally invite you to join us inside the 7-day porn reset today. The best part is it is 100% free. It is a structured process, though, and it has helped thousands of men just like you break the cycle and start rebuilding their lives. If you visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below, you can get access to this for free today. But brother, if you are on the fence and you are ready to take action and you know that your time is now, there's not another place to hesitate. This is your opportunity to step into a life of freedom, to reclaim your identity and rebuild the life that you've always known you were put here for. Visit therebuiltman.com/7-day reset or click the link down there in the show notes below. And brother, I look forward to seeing you on the inside.